utata kaXoxo then advised us into yokuba le case njengoba i-stagnant nje makuzanywe into yokuba makuthathwe i-DNA test kuwo wonke amadoda that were in contact nomntwana on Monday and Tuesday. Wathi ke uzawuba ngowokuqala ukuyithatha leyo DNA. U-MEC Gade ebelapha last week nge-31st uvelile ngose-TV ukuba uyasidirejista isikolo, when actual fact they were glaring issues that the Department of Education naye engakhange wenza umsebenzi. But then before kulungiswe lento it decided to say unikeza notice to deregister the school. A week later the MEC rescinds that decision. Uthi ke ebefuna uprincipal ahambe ayothatha i-DNA. Uminister uyavela uthi i-DNA zika-principal zithathiwe. Mhlawumbe bebefuna ukuba i-voices because the country was like only yesterday when a brigadier and station unit commander told Mama kaXoxo ukuba actually the DNA ka-principal was never taken.
Bullshit!
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. People are fuming emva kokuthi kuvele iqiniso lokuthi uSenzo Mqunu lied to Mzansi athi ma DNA a principal was collected uqambe manga lalihlada klaba abantu bakwade bagwanele nabo ngemva kokuthi beve ukuthi baqambele manga ngemva kokuthi makwaqeqwatshelwe ukuthi ma DNA a principal akazange athathwe. How can he keep a statement akhulume phambi kwebantu akhulume manga? So people are very fuming. It seems like a case they will never get justice ngandlela kungakhona, because why ba protect a principal, why angathathwa ma DNA a principal kufihlwane kuze gcine seqanjwa manga ukuthi kuthiwe ma DNA a principal were collected, knowing very well ukuthi akase kwendeke lokho. So bantu bagane alinwabo bakwatile bafuna impendulo kuye Mqunu ngokuthi waqambeleni manga ukuthi ma DNA collectiwe abati kahle ukuthi lawo manga lalihlada klaba. Guys, diabuya. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out, so goodbye.